Davey, come here.
Yes, boo-boo.
Your mother left the keys in the car.
Oh, well, she did that for me, you know, in case I want to drive.
You can't drive, Davey, and you know it.
I can, so I learned last summer when you were on vacation.
Can you really drive, Davey?
Sure, I do it every day.
Davey.
But only when I want to.
You want to now?
No.
Oh, please, Davey, please, 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 please.
All right, but just you can go. No one else, you understand?
Oh, yes, thank you, Davey. I'll go get the others.
Wait.
Come on, Linda, Butch, Cardi, Joey, Ann, Lucinda, Paula, Mary, Belinda, and Veronica. Come on, Davey, we're all waiting. Better learn how to drive this thing. Oh, Davey, it's so nice of you to take us.
Oh, honey, wait. Let's stop at a good delicatessen. Yeah. What's fun? Let's go. Let's get moving. My uncle had a car like that. Really? My father smashed up the car. Quiet! I have to concentrate. Now, let's see. First, you turn the key in the ignition. Then you press the gas pedal. Then you push the gear shift.
You numbskull, put it forward. Oops.
Where I'm going.
Do something!
Oh my God. No.
On the highway!
Oh, no.
Help! Watch out for the cars! Oh! I'm slipping in.
I'll try to smash to the side rail.
Now where are we?
Somewhere out in the country.
Which country? Which planet? Planet?
Yes.
What?
I landed on the bumper.
Honey, you get in here this second and sit down.
What if I don't want to? What if I want to do tricks?
Bring out! Stop the car!
I can't. The brakes are out.
Put her in there first.
I can't. The gear shift's broken off. Remember? Well, I guess we're gonna have to hitchhike home.
Oh, but Davey, wouldn't that be a little dangerous?
Bye. Thanks for the ride, Mr. Farmer.
Farmer, goodbye.
Bye.
Let's go.
Bye.
We'd better get home. We've been gone a long time. Hi, Ma.
Oh, Davey, I'm glad you're back. You'll never guess what happened while you were gone. Some thieves stole our car because I left the keys in it, and they found it clear over in Barrymore.
Really?
Yes, I was so afraid they might have done something to you. I couldn't find you. Where were you?
Oh, me and the gang were just buzzing around the neighborhood.
Well, I'm glad you weren't around when those awful thieves were here.
Gee, Ma, so am I.